Hi Cancerians, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donations, the details are given via PayPal and Google Pay. You can donate. I'll be appreciating it. I'll be honored to it. And second most important thing, guys, is if you want to book one-on-one personal session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to join workshop, numerology workshop, I am telling you that a lot of people are joining me for numerology workshop and tarot learning workshop. So if you really want to join me via WhatsApp video call and Skype video calls for this sessions, kindly enroll. The details are given in the description box below. Okay, and yeah, to be a part of a soul giveaway, the details are given in the description box below. And daily I am coming on Facebook between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. for the live sessions. If you want to be a part of it, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, or you can search my Facebook page Vasul. You can follow me on Vasul Tarot Prediction on Facebook page. Okay, so yes. Okay, so the deck I am using is Mind Body Makeover cards. These are new cards, universal healing cards. And second and the major tarot card which I am using is, the name is that the original Rider Waite tarot deck. Okay, this is the most commonly used tarot deck. Okay, so yes, guys, I'll be doing basically on this 4 topics. This is the reading for the month of June 2020. Okay, so this is for romance, career, relationship and finance. Take whichever part resonates with you or suits with you. Don't take all of it. Whichever part you want, you like the most and you want to know about it, take only that particular area. Okay, I'm doing all the 4 topics because I wanted to include all the 4 topics for my viewers. Okay, so yes, so take whichever part resonates with you and whichever concerns you the most, and read it separately. Like take it separately on yourself. Like for romance, take it separately. For career, take it separately if you want to know about career. Okay, so for romance we have Devil. Okay, and for career we have the Star. For relationship we have King of Cups, and for finance we have Page of Cups. Wow, lot of cups are there. You might be dealing with an Aquarius, Capricorn, or else water signs, Aries, no, Scorpio, Cancerians and Pisces. Okay, so yeah, let me check out what is going on in your romance. Okay, you're waiting for some long-term commitment, waiting for some sort of offer to be made to someone, or someone wants to make an offer towards you for a long-term commitment into your romantic love life. Okay, so if you are into a relationship or if you are single, then someone wants to offer a cup of love towards you. Okay, someone wants to propose you. Okay, for a long-term commitment. Okay, that's beautiful. Let me check it out what's going on with your career life. Okay, so you are going through some healing, hoping, internal transformation, internal belief. Universe is guiding you for something. A lot of opportunities is coming into your life. Okay, will be coming into your life and you are waiting for those kind of opportunities. Okay, some sort of waiting is going on. You are grounded. You want to move forward into your life. You are waiting for the right time and right moment to move forward. And a lot of once you move forward, once you complete your healing and your hopes and beliefs, then a lot of new opportunities will be coming into your life. Okay, lot of new opportunities, new beginnings into your career life. Okay, yes, and I feel that will give you a lot of happiness in your career life. Yes. Okay, so in relationship I have you are regaining your power back. I think in relationship there are 2 energies I am speaking on. Okay, one who are into a relationship but into a separation, and the second energy is a third party situation. Now third party situation might be a new lover or an ex lover, or a third person into a connection in between a soulmate. Okay, so yeah, so those who were into separation, they are coming together. Those who were into third party situation, okay, it might be a family member, it might be the third party might be a lover, okay? So take it however it resonates, okay? So third party doesn't always mean a lover, it also means a family member as well, who is coming between a connection, okay? So yeah, so if there is a third party situation, then Cancerians, you are ending, or your partner is ending a third party situation into a connection, okay? And if you are single, or if you are into a relationship but into a separation, if you are married and into separation, then you guys are coming together, reconciling, reuniting, regaining your power back, taking a birth. Some sort of rebirth is happening for you guys, okay? Yes. Guys, it's very hot over here, okay? So yeah, okay, so yeah, I think this, whatever connections you are dealing with currently, your counterpart is a spiritual, divinely guided connection towards you. Yeah, it's a spiritually guided connection for you guys, okay? Whosoever are twin flames, it's like a few of the Cancerians are into twin flame relationship, okay? It's a spiritually guided reunion or reconciliation or a union, okay? Take it however it resonates, okay? Yeah. And yeah, you're releasing all the confusions when it comes to this connection, releasing a lot of confusions when it comes to this connection, okay? And that's a beautiful part. Your romantic love life is on hold, your career life is you're focusing on, and your relationship, Cancerians, is upside down currently, okay? But it will be better, okay, in the upcoming weeks. Yeah, because a spiritual connection is coming to back into your life, reconciling, reuniting with your past person or a new person. And if you are single, then a new person might enter into your life, okay? So release all the confused energy, whatever confusion, heartbreak, unfulfilled emotions you had with this relationship. Release all this, because new better opportunities are waiting for you guys, okay? Do not worry. Yes. Okay, so in the part of finance, I think a new beginning, new collaboration, new beginnings in your finances, money, materialistic world, new clients and new collaborations might be coming in the upcoming weeks. New job, new opportunities in business might be happening, okay? And yeah, I feel you have to make a break into your current life, whatever the job you were going through, you were not happy with it, okay? So you have to take a leap of faith, you have to take a risk, and you have to move forward with a new beginning, new job, new opportunities, new life, new career, new business, whatever it is. Start something new, okay? Stop worrying, release all the sadness, stuck energy if you had into your financial life, okay? So a new career, once you start with a new career, new opportunity, new life, then new finances, new money, new collaborations, new clients might come into your life, okay? And we have high priestess, so that means that we have a high this is a high intuition level when it comes to a new beginning, taking a leap of faith, taking a risk, starting and beginning of something new into your life, okay? Yes, you are manifesting this financial abundance into your life. You are manifesting stability, you are manifesting independence, you are manifesting a singlehood energy, single independent financial abundance you are manifesting, okay, in your finances. So you have to take a risk, take a decision to move forward, take a risk, and then begin from scratch, okay? So if you do that, a lot of stability in your finances might come into your life, okay? A lot of financial stability, independence might take place into your life, okay? Begin with something new. Yeah, release all the burdens if you have any in your finances, and walk away which is not serving you in your finances. If like the job is not serving you much more, not paying you much, if your business is not going on, walk away from that thing and begin something new, modify it, start something new, whatever you want to do, but take a risk, take a leap of faith, move forward towards it, because once you move forward, then you will be manifesting a lot of abundance, money will be coming into your life, okay, for sure. you are manifesting it. This you have a high intuition level with this process. Okay, so release all the sadness, stuck energy, burdens if you have in your finances. Okay, and take a leap of faith, take risk and move forward. Okay, so because this is the right time, and this new beginning is upcoming in the next 2 weeks. Okay, for you opportunities might be coming up, so pay attention to the signs and universal energies, and if you do that, lot of new energies might be taking place, lot of new options might be coming into your life. Now let's pull out 3 universal cards, healing cards. Okay, 1 second guys. Okay, so yeah, let me pull out 3 universal cards. Okay, cards are popping out like anything. Okay, okay, let me healing messages from the universe. Okay, the first is for healthy love. Okay, my self-esteem and self-love are the same whether I am in a relationship or not. Okay, I hope you got it. The second is for healthy joy, healing message for a healthy joyous life. Okay, failure is not as frightening as regret. Optimism, growth and success are more likely to lead to happiness rather than avoiding challenges. Okay, the third message, the third healing message for sadness, I now effectively communicate the clarity in my mind to everyone around me. So whatever, if you are sad about something, gain a clarity and speak up. That's it. You don't have to worry, I guess. Everything is okay for you guys. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is for the first time I am covering all the 4 topics. If you like it, comment down below and kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction. Okay, Cancerians, bye bye.